Oh, wow, you're taking your pants off. Okay,
Okay,
and cut.
it's
Well, it's morning. I think we both slept pretty good. I think I slept better than you. Thomas was rolling into the fire a bit, he thought, so the little ledge that we're on is starting to melt away, so tonight we'll have to fix that up a bit. But overall, we're warm, slept good. Time for some breakfast and coffee now. Anything else?
yeah, that's about it.
How'd you sleep?
Slept okay. I've slept worse, that's for sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Were you warm enough?
Oh yeah.
Good. Vic was warm enough too. She had a whole sleeping bag to herself. So this is our sleep setup for this trip. We got the fire right over here, and then we have our sleeping area right here. So we're both using mech. I think they're -7 degree bags. There's another sleeping bag under there that Thomas is using. And underneath, on top of the thermarest, we have fleece liners, and underneath that we have wool blankets, and underneath that, if I can get to it, underneath that we have a tarp, so it's worked out pretty well. So our plan for today is to take most of the stuff out of the tent, including our sleeping area, and we're gonna dig out the snow and get it fairly flat in here. So we're finding that as the tent heats up, the shelf area that we're sleeping on it's degrading as the fire warms it up. So we're just gonna take the time and chip it out and get all the snow out today. So tonight we won't have to worry about it. And there we go. After digging it out, that's what it looks like. We went down probably 6 to 8 inches, and it's getting pretty windy out. So we'll get everything back in and close it up. Makes a big difference now that we're not sliding down. Okay.
A lot of difference.
All right, this is the setup that we're using for the daytime. So we have the tarp underneath, a couple of wool blankets on top, and then we have our chairs right here, and then we have our beds tucked away behind, so we don't really need them right now, unless we have a siesta, which we probably won't. But yeah, that's much better. We're not post-holing through the snow right now, which was becoming an issue, so should be good for the rest of the trip. Well, I think it's about 1:30 in the afternoon. We're about to maybe make some lunch. We've just been relaxing after digging out the snow from inside the tent. Not much on the agenda for the rest of the day. Gonna make a nice dinner tonight. Probably go for a hike in a bit, maybe. Thomas is shaking his head no. It's really windy outside right now. It's about 40-kilometer-an-hour winds, so we're pretty confident in the tent holding up, but the center pole is moving a fair bit. But I think we're okay. It's gonna get cold tonight too, so by the time we get up in the morning it'll be minus 17, minus 18 I think. So that should be fun when we take down the tent. But yeah, anyway, Vic has found a good spot. I don't know if you can see her there. There she is. I think she's cozy. what half of that looks like in there.
Oh, wow, you're taking your pants off. Okay,
Okay,
and cut.
it's weird.
Well, it's morning day 3, I guess. We're just waking up. It's just after 8. Slept pretty warm. Didn't sleep very soundly, but it was a good sleep. Stayed warm. Now we're just gonna have coffee and then pack up and hit the road.
Let's go. Good girl.